guys, it's Lady Locks. I've got Phoenix number 2 here by the Lockpicker 1969. I'm gonna try to get it open real quick, and then I'll show you guys everything about it. I feel like this one has some serrated pins in there, which are not my favorites at all. I think I overset one already. Yeah, we're going to start over on that one. Okay, got that open. Don't know how I did that because I thought I guess maybe I dropped everything I overset. But anyways, here's Phoenix number 2 by the Lockpicker 1969. Show that it works and show you guys the fitting of that one. Did it kind of backwards, I apologize, but here's the bitting of the key on that. Yeah, so I guess maybe I'm in the running for first place if I get my video up fast enough. But here is Phoenix number 2 by the Lockpicker 1969. Alright, thank you everybody.